Welcome to Living Guard Technologies. Let me introduce you to some of Living Guard's unique water filtration processes. This is a 300 litre per hour Living Guard community system. It is capable of purifying water from any freshwater source without the need for electricity for the purification.
The entire process consists of 3 basic stages,
plus one additional optional stage for filtration.
This is what a basic installation looks like. This is the overhead tank that contains raw, unfiltered water. The water is pumped to this tank through the use of minimal electricity, a hand pump, or pipe from the central district overhead tank or a municipal water supply. This raw water tank is placed at a particular height to create enough gravitational pressure for the filter to work at the specified capacity. The filter starts working by simply turning this valve to allow water to flow from the overhead tank.
The first stage of filtration is turbidity removal. That means it is the removal of dirt and particulate matter from the water. This is the bag filter. It removes particles up to 10 microns. This is the sand filter. It's a second in a sequence of candles. The sand granules trap and filter out the bulk of the turbidity in the water up to 5 microns. This is the activated carbon candle. It removes foul odor and taste by filtering organic contaminants like fecal matter. This is the 5 micron spun filter. It is an additional turbidity removal filter. It is important to remove particles that may have passed through the sand filter. This is the 1 micron spun filter. It is used to remove cysts from the water. By now the water is free from organic contaminants, turbidity and cysts. But what is still harmful are the bacteria and the viruses responsible for medical problems such as gastroenteritis and diarrhea. These are killed and filtered through the proprietary Living Guard candle. This candle contains multiple layers of Living Guard treated fabric and removes bacteria and viruses at a 6 log and 4 log kill rate. The water that is filtered by the Living Guard candle is now safe and potable drinking water. It is stored in a storage tank for ground access. The pure drinking water stored in these tanks remain bacteria free through our proprietary Living Guard floater filters. This is a half horsepower pump. It is used once a week to backflush the system as part of the standard maintenance of the filter. A minimal electrical requirement of about 20 to 30 minutes is required for this procedure. In addition to manufacturing 300 liters per hour filters, Living Guard also manufactures large community filters with capacities of 500 to 1000 liters per hour. They have a similar setup. Living Guard also manufactures small community filters of 100 liters per hour capacity. This is a 100 liter per hour filter. The overhead tank can be at a lower height as compared to the bigger filters. This filter also follows the same stages of filtration. Living Guard has just launched the mobile filter truck. This is a 1000 liter per hour system mounted on a truck. This system works on diesel and comes with a 500 liter storage system for the purified water. This filter can go to remote villages and provide water on the site. In some parts of India, there's a further problem of chemical contamination of water. Heavy metals such as arsenic and fluoride enter the water bodies as waste from some of the industries. Living Guard uses ion exchange technology to remove hardness of water and heavy metals. This is a 300 liter per hour system with chemical removing models for arsenic, hardness and fluoride. These candles are completely optional based on the raw water quality. They also work without electricity. Maintenance of these candles is done through the recharging of the ion exchange resins. Living Guard water filters purifies 100% of the input of contaminated water without any wastage of water.
They also retain all the essential minerals such as magnesium, calcium, sodium, etc.
This environmentally friendly technology can purify dirty, muddy, contaminated water from any water source without electricity for as low as 2 paisa for 1 litre. That is as low as 4,000 litres of water for $1. To find out more, contact us using the information provided here.